Chameleons are like nature's mood rings. They change color for a bunch of reasons, and it's not just about hiding from predators. Sure, camouflage is one reason, but did you know they also change color to communicate? When they're feeling feisty or trying to attract a mate, their vibrant hues can really turn heads. Plus, temperature and light can influence their color too. Feeling hot? They might lighten up to cool down. So next time you see a chameleon, remember, it's not just about blending in, it's a colorful conversation. What color would you choose to express your mood?